Annual Haircut Day. Once again. Author Rohini Nilekani. Illustrators Angie and Rupesh. Parvati, look at this calendar, shouted Sringeri Srinivas, the banana farmer. I have made a promise to the gods. I must cut my hair on this annual haircut day. Well, don't ask me, Parvatama declared. You know, I have so much extra work now. There's the cooking and the cleaning and the farm work. I also have to teach the children today. I have no time to cut such long hair. Why should I need you? Asked Sringeri Srinivasa, puzzled. As usual, I will go to Bhimanna the barber. Oh! Suddenly he remembered. Bhimanna's shop was closed. It was because of the COVID-19 pandemic. There was a lockdown everywhere. Neighbor Shivarna's family was in quarantine. His uncle had caught the disease. The village, the country, and in fact the whole world was troubled because of one little virus named SARS CoV 2. The virus was dangerous. Many people had become very, very sick. Sringeri peeped from his gate. The main road of the village was quiet. He could see the closed barber shop in the distance. Out came Sringeri's famous frown. He growled. Am I going to let one tiny little virus prevent me from keeping my promise to the gods? Never! You hear me? He turned to the children who had scuttled away. Never! He picked up his phone and called Bhimana. How are you, my friend? You know it's my annual haircut day today. Can you help me, like you did last year? In a kind voice, Bhimana replied. Sringeri Anna, you know I cannot help you this time. Not until the lockdown is lifted. It is way too dangerous for both of us. Also, I want to obey the law. Please find another way. What shall I do? Nobody will help me. Even the tiger cannot help me now, wailed Sringeri. Suddenly, little Uma stepped up bravely to her angry father. Appa, until the lockdown is over, why don't you try a new hairstyle? We will help you. Soon, the children had crowded around their father. Shiva checked the internet to find ways to style hair. Shankari pulled out a chair, a comb, and a mirror. Little Uma found some pins and ribbons. The children had a jolly time styling Sringeri's long and thick hair into many, many shapes. Even their mother helped. She was happy to see her husband so relaxed on this annual haircut day. It was the best time the family had enjoyed since the lockdown. Idea! I have an idea, shouted Sringeri, jumping about out of the chair. All the combs and pins and ribbons went flying about. Sringeri Srinivas stormed out of his house and out of the farm gate, right on the village street. His family followed him one by one. Devare, my gods, he said, waving his hands at the sky. I have an idea. Sringeri Srinivas was so loud that all the villagers peeped out of their homes. Youngsters came out wearing masks. The cows ambled up. The monkeys swung by. The birds flew closer. And the dogs pricked up their ears. After so many weeks, something was happening in the village. Everyone was curious. Devare, I have made a promise to you that I would cut my hair on this auspicious day every year. And I have kept my promise, even on the day when the tiger had to help me. But now, because of this virus, I cannot get a good haircut. So, Devare, I am making a new promise. Until our scientists find a cure for the illness, I will not cut my hair. Yes, even then I will not cut my hair. Not until our scientists succeed. And I will make a donation to help them too, Sringeri swore, putting his hand to his heart. The whole village roared in approval. Even if it becomes as long as the king cobra in my cousin's village, even if it becomes as long as as Amma Sari, Shankari piped up helpfully. Somebody picked up a drum and Bhairappa began to sing. The little children began to dance. They tried their best to stay apart because of the pesky virus. Soon the news spread far and wide. Sringeri was doing a special penance for the health of his village and of the world. People already loved the SS Farm's banana halwa. They already doted on Lakshmi the cow that went meow. When the lockdown lifted a little, they now also came to see Sringeri Srinivas's long and amazing hair. Many villagers were inspired to grow their own hair too. I hope our scientists find a cure soon, prayed Parvatama, standing outside the village temple. I really hope so too, whispered Bhimana the barber. So, Did you like this story? Did it make you laugh or smile a little during these tough and uncertain times? I certainly enjoyed reading this aloud for all of you. So, let me tell you what a pandemic is. A pandemic is a disease that spreads quickly throughout the world. Let me also tell you how you can stay safe during these times. You must stay indoors, and if you're going outside, please wear a mask. Always wash your hands if you touch something dirty.